Now, how can you download iCloud data to your Android? Let's get into it. So there are actually more ways how you can approach this. The first one is to look up the word iCloud in the Google Play Store. So you're going to be able to find a bunch of different apps which allow you to sign in using your Apple ID and then grab the data to your Android phone. A good example is the Sync Cloud for Contacts on the iCloud, and using this app, you essentially have the ability to sign in with your Apple account and then just get the of course, the contacts back to your phone. So it's gonna mean that you can grab the data from iCloud and save them locally. But for most of the other apps, in my videos, I usually recommend people to just open up the web browser of their choice and just go to the iCloud.com website. So in there, you can literally just sign in as well with your Apple ID. It is all official because we are working without any kind of middleman or middle part. You are logging directly to the Apple's website, so that's a little better. And there, after you sign in and go through all of the verifications, you will have access to your data, like the email, notes, photos. Most importantly, like a lot of people want to get their photos and videos, so you can get it there. And depending on which kind of file we are talking about, you're going to be able to get them, right? So inside of the photos section, you can select even all of them and just download these files to your local storage on the Android. Same thing for the iCloud Drive files, where you might have some PDF files stored or anything else, and you can get them to your phone locally from the iCloud. So that's how it works. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to successfully do this. Subscribe for more guides and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.